Hi, my dear friends. Punarvas Jayakumar here. So, guys, people have asked me, will artificial intelligence replace chartered accountants, company secretaries, lawyers? The answer is simple. The answer is a resounding no. So, as Elon Musk tells, I strongly believe in it that artificial intelligence cannot replace humans, but artificial intelligence will definitely replace those humans who do not know how to use artificial intelligence. So, we always embrace technology, and now this is also a part of technology, and it is time to embrace it. So this video is a very important video as to how to write your submissions, income tax submissions, to the income tax authorities when any client comes to you. Guys, a word of caution. Generally, people just copy paste from the artificial intelligence, whatever chat GPT throws up, and then go and submit. No, it is wrong. Where a chartered accountant comes in is his knowledge. Where the lawyer comes in is his knowledge. To see whether whatever chat GPT throws up is correct or wrong is what he or she needs to check. So if you have that in-depth knowledge about the income tax law, then this will be supplementary and complementary and a time-saving, phenomenon, a time-saving invention, so to speak. Definitely, rather than you sitting and typing everything, at least to a large extent, the chat GPT will help you. But if you have no knowledge, this is not a shortcut. This is a shortcut to hell if that is the case. But if you have the knowledge, if you know what you are talking about, if you have some idea about the case laws and about the provisions of law, most importantly, then ChatGPT can be used to accentuate your reply, to really aid your reply in giving good stuff. Of course, you need to put in the query properly. So let me just take an example, my dear friends. So I've just already run the queries. I've been testing it since a long time, and one of my clients also needed help, so I have already done that as well with him. Of course, we also tell our clients that yes, we use ChatGPT, but ultimately decision is ours only. Guys, for example, if an audit is done, the article will do all the work, but ultimately the partner will sign. If anything goes wrong, who is liable? Partner is liable. Similarly, we may use ChatGPT. Recently, there was a case where one guy, without checking anything, copy pasted from ChatGPT and went and submitted the same. Everything was wrong in that. In the sense, there were some, lines, etc., which were some old case laws. So then, obviously, the judge also admonished, what are you doing? Have you copy pasted from AI? So the knowledge here is very important, and the wisdom in telling the difference is very important. If you have knowledge of the provisions, this can be a wonderful tool. So let me just show you an example. This is what the query that I have put in here. Right. So basically, guys, I am a person who does these glow lights, glow sign boards, and I have put the glow signs everywhere. Assume I put the glow signs everywhere in all my dealer, my units, etc. Whereby I am saying that this is the glow signs of this particular company, whatever company. It can be a light company for all you know. I am manufacturing and selling lights. So, but opposite, obviously I have to portray my business to be a light business. So I have a very big glow signs across all my dealer. Now that glow sign expenditure, is it revenue or capital in nature? So in one of the cases, just picked up a random case to show you that. In one of the cases, the SSC had claimed it to be a revenue in nature, whereas the assessing officer had disallowed it as capital in nature. So I put that query here, for example. So as a lawyer or as a CNO, I have to draft a response. So as a lawyer, draft a submission to the assessment unit, National Faces Assessment Center, and the entire address I should give, appealing against the assessing officer's order, disallowing an expenditure incurred on glow sign boards displayed at all dealer outlets by the client. Jinchak glow lights. Name I have given on my own. PAN number, whatever random PAN number I have given. The expense is revenue in nature and should be allowed under 37(1) of the income tax court relevant judgment. And guys, this is what they have already given. So the moment to enter it, it will come here. Assessment unit, National Faces Assessment Center, Mayur Bhavan, subject, appeal again, so and so. Dear sir, madam, see, they have given the nature of expenditure. Such expenditure incurred to maintain and improve business market presence, attract, ultimately result in increased sales. This is not, I have not written it. ChatGPT has written it. Allowability. Section 37 talks about, see, they have extracted from the Bayer Act and they have inserted here. The glow sign satisfy the criteria directly related to the business promotion and marketing efforts. Relevant judicial judgment, see, Ashok Leyland, then Bharat Commerce and Industries. Expenses incurred on advertising and sales promotion which lead to the growth are deductible under 37(1). Then commercial expediency. They have spoken about commercial expediency are inherently revenue in nature. We kindly appeal for a fair and impartial view of our submission for the appropriate deductions to be made. We remain at your service for any further improvement. Now I don't like this. I want to regenerate. So you just copy paste the same thing. Guys, use any app, okay? I've just used some OpenAI, any app you can use. I've just used a free app, right? You put this again here and just click. So automatically it'll again regenerate. See again here. I'm writing to formally lodge an appeal on behalf of so and so. We strongly contend as revenue in nature and consequently should be allowed. Nature of expenditure, allowability. See here. Again, they have given the same two cases. Again, here and there they will mix and match. And again, I don't like this. I'll regenerate it. I didn't like the answer. Every time you regenerate, something different they will give. See, I am hereby, I trust this correspondence finds you well. Now, this and all I cannot write. I can delete this when I'm finding my submission. Again, the submission of this nature of expenditure, allowability, reliant. Again, they have given the same decisions, but yes, the way they are writing every single time is different. Right? Every single time it is different. Now, if I put in some section numbers in response to a notice under 148, things will change. Let's take one more example. See, for example, here, as a chartered accountant, write a submission to the assessment unit, National Face Assessment Center, in response to a notice that a donation to political party amounting to 3 lakh rupees is made by my client, Mr. Savranu Pramukayach. Savranu Pramukayach is secret. Punarvas Jayakumar in reverse. Okay. Yes. PAN number. To which political party? Of the people, by the people, for the people. That is what democracy is all about, right? Cannot be treated as false and fake based on statement of some unauthorized people. So the assessing officer had told that donation and all is fake. So I am telling no boss, it's not fake. No, because you have not given me any opportunity of being heard. You have not followed the principles of natural justice. And I have submitted my bank statements also, receipts also, everything, court relevant, court judgment. So already they have inserted this, already it has been generated. See, it's given here. Lack of all being heard, submission of supporting documents, court relevant. See, there is Association of Democratic Reform, Supreme Court judgment, and also People's Union for Civil Liberties. So again, I will generate it. You can keep on generating any number of times, guys. You can tweak the query and you can keep on generating. You see how it comes now. There you go, see. Unsubstantiated allegations, submission of supporting documents, and again, relevant judicial precedents. Excellent. So if you see, basically same thing here. I hope this letter finds you well. I am writing this as a representative chartered accountant for my client in response to the notice dated so and so, issued by so and so, in concerning a donation made by my client, political party, of the people, by the people, for the people. Our response is as follows. Lack of opportunity of being heard. Here, the principles of natural justice, particularly the odi alteram partem rule. This is not, I have not written this. ChatGPT has extracted this. Mandate that individuals should have the right to be heard and opportunity to provide clarification. Unfortunately, in this instance, my client was not afforded such an opportunity. Unsubstantiated, allegations. Casting doubt on the authenticity of the donation. It is essential to underscore that allegations must be backed by substantial and verified evidence. Presumption of innocence should be upheld until proven otherwise. See, beautiful language by ChatGPT. I have not, mine is very simple here. I have just asked, bro, please tell bro. Over, close. That's it. So see, this is what is called complementary and supplementary. It aids in your reply. It is not a replacement to a chartered accountant. A chartered accountant without knowledge will go and submit. There may be better cases that I should know, right? So please understand, it is not just blind copy paste, but it will really help you. I use it on a day-to-day basis for my work. It really helps me because I know, the rigors of law and the intricacies of law. Those of us who know, it's easier for us. The language is there. We add our own language and give the best possible thing. Relevant judgments are there. Political funding shall be informed source of funding. Contribute political party under Article 19(1)(a). Given these legal pronouncement and guiding principle, respectfully request a re-evaluation of the allegations. And principles of natural justice should be followed. We earnestly seek see, this language is very nice. Earnestly seek a reconsideration of the allegations. Furthermore, we kindly request an appropriate opportunity for my client to provide any necessary clarifications. Here and there, you can tweak. So, guys, this is what I wanted to tell you. Chat GPT will not replace you, but it will replace if you don't know how to use Chat GPT. So, please start using it. Please give a lot of iterations. Comment here below. If you want me to do any other video on any other thing with respect to Chat GPT, do it, because I extract many images also. I was not at all an artist. If you see my art, even all these great Leonardo da Vinci will again wake up and again commit suicide after seeing my art. But using my imagination, using the particular query, I've been able to extract the art the way I want. Right? All that you can do with artificial intelligence, it's a wonderful thing. So please comment below if you want me to do a video on any of these things. Probably more submissions, income tax submissions, IDT submissions if you want. I can seek help from Tarun Raj sir for the in-depth provisions. And if you want any other submissions, any other stuff on accounting science, please comment, and please like this video and share it with as many people as possible to make use of the wonderful Chat GPT, artificial intelligence. Kindly embrace it, my dear friends. Don't run away, because if you run away, you will eventually be out of the game. Thank you so much.